Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable AirPlay on Hisense Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Don't forget to subscribe after watching the video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your setting on your Smart TV, which you will find on the right of your screen. Once you tap on settings, all you need to do is to scroll down where you will find system. So you need to tap on that one. In system, you need to scroll down where you will find Apple, AirPlay and HomeKit. You need to tap on that one. It will take a bit of time to load on your TV. So here, as you can see, the first option is AirPlay is off. As you can see right here, it is off. And then you need to just tap on, just use your remote and press the OK button, and as you can see now it's on. So guys, this is all it takes to enable your AirPlay on your Hisense TV. If you need require a code first time only, then there is subtitles and captioning about AirPlay, reset, pair device, all the settings you can find here as well. So guys, this is how you can enable AirPlay on your Hisense Smart TV. If you like the video, as I said in the beginning, don't forget to subscribe. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.